come with me to play with my new slimes. So I actually already unboxed it, but I really guys want to show you guys, so let's get into it. First, we have the pink one. It's a watermelon strawberry theme and really good quality, and it smells exactly like that. It's like a really cute, like neon pink baby pink. Sorry, and really good quality. Let's move on to the yellow one. Now my yellow one, well, it smells like lemon, really good smell, and same quality as the baby pink one, and I put charms in it. So let's move on to the blue one. This is my blue one. It smells like blueberries, but it's actually supposed to be a Starbucks latte. If you don't believe me, these are the charms for it. As you can see, it's a little Starbucks cup for the charms. So cute. Same quality as the other slimes we saw last. And thanks for watching this video with me. Bye. See you in my next one.